coat. And then the last step we're gonna do is crystal tray, the precision glue gel. So we're gonna apply it later. I'm gonna go ahead and spread this condensed glue gel. You see how thick density is, and then I spread my bristles really nice, so then it blend really well, and it gives the opportunity for the condensed glue gel to like really saturate on the nails. Top coat. And again, you can always stop at any point. That is, we are going to do a chamfer foil French, and then we're doing the crystal design. But the clients want just like this, then you stop, just put the top coat on, and you are good to go. Here for 60 seconds. If the clients want more than just a French look, we are going to add some crystal. All right, I'm not sure which one I'm gonna pick. They all look so adorable. I'm gonna pick.
Do red.
Do this one. Red. This is. Okay. Red heart. Looks so adorable. Oh, this cutie, I got it and like playing with the little cute mixed bags from Sub Box. Oh, this is a frame right there, and the crystal as well. And then the metals. I can always adjusting it. Move it up a little bit. Without worry about them drying, because they're not dry until you are going to cure. Oh, did you know that the other design, I didn't even put any beads on it?
You don't need to.
You don't have to, but if you want to, absolutely yes. Just for your preference, if you want to add some beads on, yes. No beads still look good. Okay. This one I can add some beads on if you want to. Let's see if I can find some beads, like some metal beads, like gold beads. I usually add it between the crystal and crystals, right between the joints of crystals, or between the frame and the crystals, however you want. Let's see if I get some. Just one little heart. I mean little red. That's it. How's that look?
Pretty.
Adjusting it first. Okay. Here for 60 seconds.